Actually, how those K-pop idols always wear the natural men's makeup. 안녕하세요. Yo, what's up everyone? It's Isaac here. Welcome to 2020. So today's videos, I'm gonna to share how I do the natural men's makeup. Hope you guys like it. First, your skin needs some protection before the makeup. So apply the sunscreen, apply on the face, then the neck.
Of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings.
Foundation can create an even uniform color to the skin color, so don't skip it. Then use the beauty blender. It is a good stuff to blend the foundation even on your face.
I need to find a way. Find a way out.
Wow, my skin color looks better. Then use the concealer to cover the skin flaws. So apply the concealer on the skin flaws. Then use the beauty blender. Alright, good kid. Enjoy the music.
What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through?
Hey man, if you're looking for perfect eyebrows, so you have to fill in and define the eyebrows with the eyebrow pencil. Hey man, this video is about how to fill in and trim the eyebrow for the beginner. Just have a look when you have time, alright? Then brush the eyebrow to look more natural. So use the eyeliner, also fill for the underline. It will look so natural and smart. Now you can kill everyone. Yeah. So the final step is apply the face powder. Just make sure the makeup can stay all day long.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through.
And don't forget to moisturize for your lips. Alright, we'll be all done today. This is my first videos in 2020. Hope you guys like it. I know you guys waiting so long for these videos, and I wish we will stronger in 2020. Actually, everyone can be better. Be a better man. Hey, I have a question. Have you ever tried makeup? Tell me down below. Let's discuss together. See you guys on my next videos. Peace.
I'm just trying to say.
Hey guys, it's Isaac here.
Monster X. 선명해지 기억 느끼고 있어 난 너라는 기적 네가 내 이름 부른 순간 이제서야 나는 의미를 찾았어 내 맘 밝혀주는 너의 flashlight 밤하늘 밟을 수는 what are your eyes 내 귀 닫고 전해준 목소리와 나를 숨쉬게 한 것 모두 너인 것